Let me show you how to solve this math question on the board. We are given 14 raised to the power of x plus 14 raised to the power of x all over 2 into 2 raised to the power of x equal to 49. And we are expected to find the value of x. If you want to solve this question correctly, this is what you need to do. Here's the solution. If you look at the numerator of this fraction, you notice that we have 14 raised to the power of x plus another 14 raised to the power of x. That is the same thing being added to itself. Because we have the same thing being added to itself, this is the same thing as multiplying one of them by 2. Why we are multiplying by 2 is because we have just 2 of them. 1, 2. Supposedly we have 14 raised to the power of x plus 14 raised to the power of x plus another 14 raised to the power of x, that is into 3. We would have multiplied one of them by 3. But because we have just 2, 1, 2, that's why we are going to multiply one of them by 2. So 2 times 14 raised to the power of x, then all over this 2 into 2 raised to the power of x, then equal to 49. On the right hand side, not right, on the left hand side, sorry, 2 cancel 2. And we have 14 raised to the power of x over 2 raised to the power of x equal to 49. Now, if you look at the left-hand side of the equation, you notice that both the numerator and the denominator have the same power. Because they have the same power and we have division here, we are going to apply something called quotient power law of indices. According to quotient power law of indices, anytime a fraction, just like what you have here, anytime in a fraction, the numerator and the denominator have the same powers, that we should simply write the fraction just the way it is, 14 over 2. And then we should raise them to their common power, then equal to 49. Now, inside this bracket, we have 14 divided by 2, which is 7. So we have 7 raised to the power of x, then equal to 49. Now, if you look at this equation, the left-hand side is in exponential form. So we have to rewrite this right-hand side to also be in exponential form in the same base with that of the left-hand side. And the question is how? This 49 can be written as 7 raised to the power of 2. Why? Because 7 times 7 into 2 places will give us this 49. So we are going to replace this 49 with 7 raised to the power of 2. Let me do it here. We have 7 raised to the power of x equal to, in place of this, write 7 raised to the power of 2. This 7 here and this 7 will cancel because they are in the same base. And we have x equal to 2. And this is the answer to this question. What can you say about this video?